Buying your first stock can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, from opening an account to making your very first trade. By the end, you'll see that it's easier than most people think. Learning outcomes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open and fund your first brokerage account, the exact steps to buy your first stock with confidence, how to avoid the most common beginner mistakes, how to track and manage your investment the right way. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial or investment advice. Alright, let's begin with Step 1. Choosing a brokerage firm. The very first step in your investing journey is choosing a brokerage firm. A brokerage is simply a platform that lets you buy and sell stocks. Think of it as the store where you shop for investments. Most modern brokerages make things super easy. They offer mobile apps, low or no commission fees, and helpful tools designed to guide beginners. Some even let you buy fractional shares, which means you don't need hundreds of dollars to get started. You can literally own a small piece of a company like Apple or Tesla. When picking a brokerage, focus on what feels simple, transparent, and easy to use. Once you've found the right one and set up your account, congratulations! You're ready for Step 2 of your investing journey. Step 2. Open and fund your account. Opening a brokerage account is similar to setting up a regular bank account. You'll enter your personal details, verify your identity, and create your login credentials. Once that's done, it's time to fund your account. Simply transfer money from your bank to your brokerage. Most platforms make this process quick and secure, often connecting your bank within minutes. Here's the golden rule. Only invest money that you don't need for emergencies. The stock market is powerful, but it's not a replacement for your savings account. Step 3. Research and pick your first stock. Now comes the exciting part. Choosing your first stock. A stock is simply a form of ownership in a company. When you buy one, you're literally buying a piece of that business. Every stock is identified by a ticker symbol, a short code that represents the company. For example, Apple's ticker is AAPL. Once you type the ticker into your brokerage app, you'll see the stock's current price, past performance, and other details. For your first stock, stick with companies you already understand. Don't worry about chasing the next big thing. The goal here is to learn the process, not strike it rich overnight. Step 4. Place your first order. Now it's time to place your very first order. When you buy a stock, you'll usually see two main choices. A market order, which buys the stock immediately at the current price. A limit order, which lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. Before you hit buy, run through this quick safety checklist. Double-check the ticker symbol. Make sure your account is funded. Confirm the number of shares or fractional shares. Choose the right order type. Review any potential fees. Once you're sure, hit confirm. Congratulations! You just bought your first stock. Step 5. Confirm and track your investment. After your order is placed, the stock will show up in your portfolio. This is your personal collection of investments. From here, you can track the price, see your gains or losses, and, if the company pays them, even collect dividends, which are a share of the company's profits paid back to shareholders. Remember, the stock market is a long-term game. Don't panic if the price dips tomorrow. The real growth happens when you stay invested over time. Beginner tips for success. Here are a few tips to keep you on the right track. Start small, even with just a fractional share. Set up automatic contributions if your broker allows it. Think long-term, not day-to-day. Keep learning. Every trade is an experience. Common mistakes and troubleshooting. A lot of beginners run into the same problems. Here's how to avoid them. Don't trade on emotions. Follow your plan. Always double-check ticker symbols before buying. Never borrow money to trade. Don't sell too quickly during a downturn. Markets move in cycles. Make sure you have an emergency fund before you invest. Important FAQs. How much money do I need to start? Some brokers let you start with as little as $1. What if I make a mistake? You can always sell your stock and try again. That's part of learning. What's the safest stock to buy? There's no guaranteed safe stock. Spreading out your investments helps reduce risk. Do I need to check the market every day? Not at all. Long-term investors often check just once in a while. You've just learned how to buy your very first stock step by step. Now it's your turn. Open your account, start small, and take that first step toward building your future. So if you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.